Thursday the 6th, Jan, on our way to Melbourne Airport. We are on our way to Summernats in Canberra. The event starts today at 11 AM. Jason and Danny are flying up. Where are they driving up? Alright, so here we are with Gabby.
Hi.
Weather's perfect. Gotta look out for Jason and Danny.
We're here. Summernats with a baby. We've got Danny Electric here. Oh, my name is Jason Farron. And we're directors of Tuff with Rory Higgins. So we've got the baby cam here. Rory should have his camera. We'll get some footage of our experience of Summernats before our event at Winton, locked and loaded. We've got a massive year coming for Tuff Streeters and Keeperee for that matter. Hope you enjoy. So of course we've got the walking straight into the drift area, drift cadet. Typical for a drafter. So we've got some of the boys here and they're going to be putting on demos. Currently wet, so they're not out at the moment. We'll try to get some footage. But yes, we don't need to see any drifting. See enough of that. We want to see the burnouts here. So let's get to the burnout. What do you reckon? Capture all the doses. That's what I'm here for. I think Rory's more V8. Yeah. What are you? V8 or turbo?
She's Land Rover.
Land Rover.
What are you?
The dose.
The dose. That's it. See if we can get someone to do a fat dose. Too many V8 VLs. Where's all the turbos at? It's a good one coming, I think. See what we can do. This guy down here. Dose it. Ducked. Dose it, boy. Not cracking under the pressure. Here we go. Here we go. Rookie. They call Summernats the Simmons capital. Here we are, son. Almost every second car's got the Simmons. Be original, son. Be original. I reckon. You got a VL, VY6 all the way. Give us some opinions of it.
Put your Jap wheels on.
Put your Jap wheels on. Yeah, Aussie car.
VL?
That's it, original. SSRs on me VL. Do want some SIGs though. No Simmons.
Jap wheels.
Maybe some VSKFs. JDM boys. Each. So we're going to try to find where the skids are at. It's called Skid Row, I think. This is where they got the big stage. They're still setting that up. I'm guessing it's where they crank the after party style thing on the night. They got Timmy Trummer tomorrow.
Where the freaks at?
Yeah, I'm guessing this is going to be pretty packed. I've seen they've got lawnmowers and they're going to do races around here. I don't know how much I'm going to capture. I found it. I think it's called Tuff Street. I don't know what's going on. But we're going to see some skids. I just saw a Hilux blowing soot and blazing tyres. I'm all about that. Baby James loving it. Get around it, limmy finger. them, is it? I don't know. Now we're gonna go to check out the Burnout and then see if some drifters are doing some drafting. And then I'm gonna get something to eat because I'm hungry. Oh, well, we found the Burnouts, I think. Before we go check out the drifts, just see my friend Jay Duca from SA has come down. I'm also on the Great Norths. He's got a rotary Commodore and he loves his big bus things. We'll go have a chat with him. Hey, yeah. How you doing, mate? So what's this? What's the bus all about? Because you got your other bus, you didn't have the 1J bus.
Truck for the missus.
Oh, true. What motor and stuff, or was it just whatever it come with?
1HZ.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I guess a Toyota Coaster bus.
Okay.
Yeah, big turbo, big
So
pump,
just
bit of
waiting for
boost.
some sign riding and stuff.
Oh yeah, something. Needs something on the side. It's a bit extra black.
Bit rapey.
Yeah.
Well, show us this piece.
I'll let you hear.
Apparently there's a motor. Yeah, sounds first before we suck it. It was just a 13 maybe you worked it.
Nah, well, it was just out of some swamp vehicle. 840 kilowatts, 9,000.
Yeah.
Storage in the front, man. Got no problem. That thing coming.
The irony, I'm focused on my problems, but prophecy is something that I should see. With all
We're in Daddy Daycare mode. Got baby James ready to go. The drifting's about to start, so we'll check it out. And it's now pissing down outside, so it'll be interesting what the Burnout guys do. So we'll go and check that out and see what they're doing. Now a little bit wet like. I've got baby food all over my t-shirt. We've seen enough drafting. Quick look what they're doing in the Burnouts. Looks pretty dead over there. Except they've just stopped it. Skid Row's probably not going. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they're just doing the lawnmower race. So we'll probably bail. And then yeah, might come check out what's going on later tonight. They got Cursor playing. I don't even know who that is. Some hip hop rip. Timmy Trumpet tomorrow from his Cloud 9 days. And what's that?
Is that not on tonight?
No, I think it's tomorrow. I don't know what's going on. I think tonight's the big night. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people are actually packing up. They got their trailers out. They've given up. If there's no smoke, there's no show. We found the hidden dyno room, so we've got some big power cars. While everyone's blazing it on the street in the wet. We've got some people trying to put down some big figures. The car there at the moment made 800 HP, 600 kilowatt, not bad. It's Barra Wags numbers. Actually, is a Barra, so there you go. Pretty cool. This is the Mighty Car Mods Barra Cressida. Did watch that episode. Very cool episode. I did actually work my 31 Barra Wags off the sound of this thing, and pretty much did the same but titanium. So she sounds hot. Got the SSR. Oh, we're about to send the dyno.
I think we just cracked the 200, did we? 198.4 horsepower from the naturally aspirated Barra and the XF.
Day 2, Summernats. We're here with the big man Rory.
Chopper
we're
rides.
about to jump on the chopper to start the day off. Get some mad, what do you call them? Bird's eye views of them skids. I'll try not drop the camera out the helicopter. We'll see how we go.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Should be a big day. The car park is full to the brim. Might try jump in some cars. Got a few mates that want to take me out in their VL or LS Turbo FJ40. So we'll have a nice day out and yeah, limmy fingers, boys, limmy fingers. Tell the team what happened.
Oh mate, she's just throttle got stuck and that was the end of her.
Oh no.
It's all over.
Got some parts to fix her up? Or?
Yeah, everyone's been throwing in, it's mad. Everyone's been offering
That's
services.
Any shout outs you want to give to the YouTube?
No, not yet. Not yet. We'll wait and see where we end up.
See what sponsors come on board.
Thank you, Shannon's. Please, Shannon's.
Where do they hit you up if they want to throw you something?
Hey Connor, what do we got there for a hit up? We got the GoFundMe page set up already.
Oh yeah, GoFundMe. Connor Norris 888. It's in the Instagram bio and story.
That's the ticket. Look after him. No one wants their throttle to stick on, so got to get him back out there next year.
Next year we're back. We're back.
That's it.
Bigger.
All right, we found Lawrence. He's got the FJ40, so it might not look like much, but he's got the LS Turbo. Lawrence, what power she make, boy?
Oh, at least 100 kilowatts.
Let's go. Yeah. Tough streeters, mate. Tough streeters. What did he say? I'm on YouTube. I'm on YouTube. Get on YouTube. Yee. Say yeah, tough streeters.
Yeah, what?
Tough streeters.
Tough streeters. Yeah, tough streeters.
Yeah, that boy. No seatbelt here, I reckon. Just don't get your throttle stuck. True.
It hasn't happened for a week. I'm on my final warning.
Just a little on the brake. Shimmy whoop, mate. Shimmy whoop. Oh. Hey. Coppers. Dogs. Having a bit of a seizure in your foot there, man.
It's my 2-foot camshaft.
We're on this natural terrain, natural habitat right now. Cutting through to the back of the burnouts, because why not?
There was no sign saying we can't.
That's it. There's no sign. It's meant to be done. Out of the way, guys. Out of the way. We're going to go stand on the roof and watch burnout.
Sure doesn't look like we're meant to be
A few
here.
limmy fingers going on over there. We got told off. Should have put a sign there, mate. Get on the brake, Gary!
Yeah, guess I know no better. I ain't got no chill, so they call me a devil. I know. Look, I am just a man on a mission. If I want it, then I get it, I go. And if you're trying to test me a beast, you gon' need Liam Neeson. The chance that you're taking is flagrant. You're testing your luck. If you think you make it out, then you're sadly mistaken. Careful what you put in your stake in, cause I ain't got no patience and no limitations. You trying to figure me out and I know I don't make sense.
So that's a wrap, guys. Summernats 34. Awesome weekend down here, Canberra. We've got our locked and loaded event coming up at Winton Raceway, April 30th. Stay tuned for deets.